What is up, guys? Today we are at an abandoned racetrack. This place is called 7580 Drag Strip, and this ain't gonna be no ordinary video. We're going down this drag strip with the car. We're gonna get some nice runs in, see how fast we can go. Over there you can see the old stands. That's where everyone used to sit, and there's more stands all the way down there. I used to come to this place back when I was a kid, and it's been about probably about 10 years since I used to go here and actually saw the cars race all the time. All right, that's where the old announcer used to go. He used to say what cars were coming up, who was up next racing. Some more stands over there. The whole place was lit up with these lights. There'd be races at night. What most people don't know about this place is that there's more than just a drag strip. There's actually a full-on racetrack right back that way. We're gonna go there. So right here we got the line. This is at the end of the quarter mile, and that's where, I mean, you would figure out who wins. They would set up cameras on these poles that would trap the speed and how long it took for them to go down the track. At the end of the track, it all went uphill, just slow you down. You would turn around up there. Right in these woods right here, we got the actual racetrack. We're gonna go check it out. I was actually here about a month or two ago, and there was a bunch of people on this just drifting their cars like crazy, flying around. Yeah, why is he running?
Get back in the middle.
Right here we actually have the old go-kart like mini parking spots for them to line up. Let's go to that concession up there.
What's in there?
Bunch of trash and utensils.
Sorry guys.
There's a bunch of brand new Gatorades. If you guys want to come here and take them, they're here for you. All right, it's time for Kyle to go down the track. I'm gonna go down like halfway and we're just gonna see him fly by. You ready?
I don't go over 55.
He's gonna go again. He's gonna go again. You're going again? Oh my. This is the fattest burnout ever. You did the fattest drift ever.
I broke traction in third gear.
Yeah, no.
Third gear.
No, your car was completely sideways.
Oh yeah,
I saw it. It looked crazy.
I literally just had two hands on the wheel and I just kept in the gas. I was like, I'm not getting out of the gas. I'm gonna die. So.
All right, guys. Thank you for watching another video. I'm gonna insert some clips of me racing my friend here a few months ago, and then that's all. But thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.
Ready, set, go!
was down.